that is called the GPS, and to do so we need to remove the screen protection.
The winner takes it all.
So I have the Bluetooth multimedia system.
Attracted like magnets, our bodies reactive, but you just won't call. Baby, won't you please stop keeping me on? Oh yeah, I'm drunk on all your games.
So I'm going to use this one.
He's
Yes.
the winner takes it all. F for an eye makes the whole world go blind and we can't see at all.
We are going to use this connector before setting this on the support. And this is the GPS Garmin holder. The Evotech support comes with all bolts and everything. However, what I like to do is I like to put these plates in addition to the Garmin. There is inside the kind of soft plastic just for the vibration. But what I found out is that actually with vibration and depending on how strongly you have tightened the these bolts, actually they are passing through that soft plastic. And so to avoid that, I'm just putting these plates, and I'm able to keep it correctly. Now, before I bolt this, put these bolts, I'm going to because I need to confirm that my wiring is correctly set up. Now we're going to
The winner takes it all.
and
Somebody love you for the long haul.
here
Me and you always make me feel small. Baby, won't you
sorry.
move by the temptation and swallow frustration?
Okay, so Evotech provides you with a holder, these cable holders. Right here, just here to keep the cable not moving around. Let's do it.
And when you left me, I just wouldn't hang on. Boxed up the memory
Okay, so I'm probably going to do
that I played
cable to
just to throw it all away. Loving you is quite a waste, but I just love how
this side.
just to throw it all. Loving you is quite a waste, but I just love how it tastes.
Now let's arrange all the cables and let's put this back. Evotech is providing these bolts.
All of my friends are so damn clever. The things we talk about when we get together. Some like to dance, some like to
There are ones that are longer than the others.
away.
One that's shorter.
Bowling for dollars.
Here,
Art museum, prehistoric dinosaurs. Love to see 'em. A movie, a bike ride, a long walk. Staying up late, having late
here.
night talks. All of my friends. All of my friends. Friends to the end, forever. All of my friends. Chipping in on a lottery
Oh.
ticket, choosing lucky numbers. Gonna win, take a holiday, gonna get away in a convertible down the happy highway. A day at the beach, a stroll in the park, a hug on the hill, a kiss in the dark, a poem that you read, the intimate part, being together.
Yeah, look nice to me. Ooh.
All of my friends, friends to the end, forever. All of my friends, whatever. You know it's I before E, except after.
Okay, put this there and let's see how does that looks like. This is the position I will be using for standing driving while I'm standing, and obviously here like very simply while I'm seated. I think it looks good. It's really there. So when I just the bike, everything is going on. Perfect. Charging. It's charging.
Good times,
And it's
bad
fine.
times, in between. Having two friends means everything. Your silver, your gold, the new and the old.
Full. That's done. Now let's go with the water pump and the engine protection.
Friends to
Let's continue. So for the water pump, I'm using this product coming from Ducabike in Italy. Water pump protection. Color. So we need to remove these bolts, and we'll be replacing them once they are provided with protection. So let's go.
and we get along. And we sing a song. And we get along. And we sing a song. And we get along. And we sing a song. And we get along. And we sing a song. And we get along.
Okay, now we're going to put the engine protection. Oh. to add this protection here, right, we need to remove this piece here, and then we are going to bolt on this support here. Okay, let's go.
Abajo yo la veo, si quieres yo te llamo, si quieres te tecteo. Como ya lo mueve no lo creo, lo que quiere es perreo. Por moverlo tiene un trofeo, hasta abajo yo la veo, si quieres yo te llamo, si quieres te tecteo. Como ella lo mueve no lo creo, cuando lo mueve rebota, tiene boforo esa nenota, acaso no sabes cómo la nota, cuando prende un fili siempre flota. Y cuando lo mueve ella lo azote, que lo hace brutal con un flow muy sensual. Se mira muy chula aunque ande casual.
This is
Un tumbao en la cadera que es muy letal. Es que no existe alguna que la
supposed to go.
Y los hombres la quieren si la mirada mataran. En un altar ya estuviese. Quiere perreo como en los viejos tiempos. Se lo goza en cualquier momento. Para moverlo tiene talento. Y cuando perrea todos están atentos. Y piden flor para bajar el calor. Se pone muy loca con pastillas de color. Con pastillas de color. Haciendo lo que hace. Ella es la mejor. Quiere es perreo. Por moverlo tiene un trofeo. Hasta abajo yo la veo. Si quieres yo te llamo. Si quieres te tecteo. Como ya lo mueve no lo creo. Lo que quiere es perreo. Por moverlo tiene un trofeo. Hasta abajo yo la veo. Si quieres yo te llamo. Si quieres te tecteo. Como ella lo mueve no lo creo. Y se pone activa. Se echa un trago y se siente viva. Las críticas ella siempre la esquiva. Anda flow Mercedes, nunca Kia. Siéntate en mi cara que yo quiero ser tu silla. Y es que tiene un bumper para romper la disco. Se mira tan sabrosa como un malvavisco. Yo quiero ser tu papi, no me llamo Francisco. Si le miro el producto, yo me quedo visco. Y tiene un tatú en la cintura. Esa nena sí que está muy dura. No es Rosalía, pero anda con altura. Que está buenota, eso se murmura.
And the last one will go here.
Por moverlo tiene un trofeo. Hasta abajo yo la veo. Si quieres yo te llamo. Si quieres te tecteo. Como ya lo mueve no lo creo. Lo que quiere es perreo. Por moverlo tiene un trofeo. Hasta abajo yo la veo. Si quieres yo te llamo. Si quieres te tecteo. Como ella lo mueve no lo creo.
Yes. Perfect. Oh, like this. There you go, guys. Hope you like this. Couple of more things that I will need to change before the departure in 5 days, but we're there.